Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we're going to be doing something that I kind of been wanting to do with this car, my Tesla 2021 Model Y. Add a little bit of like RGB lighting into the interior of the vehicle, and Hansshow reached out once again, sending another great product to me, and it's this little kit that goes pretty much in the front of the vehicle, right behind the screen, right behind the steering wheel. And it's a pretty simple install. It gives you a couple instructions. They provide all the tools that you need. It also comes with electrical tape in case you need it. And it's a really easy install. You could probably do it in less than 30 minutes. If you know what you're doing in the interior, you could probably do it in less than 15 minutes. But we're gonna be taking our time today, so I think we could get it done in under 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and start installing this, and it shouldn't take too long, and then I'll show you guys the results at the end, which I feel like is gonna add a little bit of a cool twist to the interior of the vehicle.
The first thing we're gonna be doing is popping this little plastic piece out, and go ahead and grab your pry tool. The next piece you're going to be removing is this one right here on the right side. And this one you have to use it by hand and just pop it out. We're going to be removing this little clip right over here, just like that, and then go ahead and just use your hand to pop it out all the way. There we go.
Next up, we're going to be removing this panel right here. You guys already removed the little clip, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Now it's just prying this outwards.
So there's going to be a cover down here with a couple little clips. There should be about 3 to 4 clips. You're going to go ahead and pop them out, and then you're going to go ahead and use a panel removal tool to hinge it in there. Just bring it down, and it's held by like 3 to 4 of these little clips. And you can see right here that it has a little tweeter, a little speaker over here on the left side, and in the middle is a foot pedal lighting. So if you want to unplug it, you can. The reason we're removing this little panel is because on the inside, on the Intel model, we're going to be connecting it to this little metal thing over here. I think that's like a module or something.
The next up is just going to be actually getting the LED strip. It comes with double-sided tape. So you're just going to go ahead and just apply it on one side. Then we're going to go ahead and stick it, and then it comes with this little connector. Then you're going to go ahead and connect the box. One side goes to the wiring over here, the other side goes to the LED strip, and then you're going to go ahead and just put everything back together.
We're going to wire it down here and just kind of tuck it in the back.
Went ahead and applied the double-sided tape, and then we're going to be sticking it onto the top part right here, and you can just go ahead and just remove it from the top.
So we put everything back together,
And I ended up putting the little strip right up here, and the sticky tape that it comes with, it's actually really good, and it's actually super sticky. Right when you apply it, it sticks on there very well, so make sure that you're applying it very good.
and then press the brake.
Oh, there we go, guys. It is daytime, so it's a little bit harder to see, but wow, that looks really nice with the LED strip right there. Oh, look at that, it's changing colors, and look at that, it shows you with the little red strip. So blue over here, and then red indicating that the door's open. Then you gotta go ahead and close it again, and then it goes back to blue. And look at the lighting at night, it looks a lot better. Let me put the windows up, have a little bit of tint.
This looks so much nicer like this, and it makes it look a lot more modern. One cool thing, guys, about this is it's a whole blue strip. Since we connected it to the little module, look at this, it turns red while you're driving, and then if you have like a turn signal, let's say you're gonna turn left, it turns to a green turn signal. And let's say there's a car, so it does it for both sides, and let's say there's a car next to you on your left side or your right side, it turns to kind of like a yellow right here, indicating that there's a car next to you and to be cautious. So this thing, I didn't think it was gonna have all these features. Okay, let me see if I can capture it right here. So I'm driving, oh, there we go, you saw the little orange. I think I'm just a little too ahead of that car, but maybe over here, let's see, there we go, you see how it's turning orange right there? So indicating that there's a car next to you. And sorry if it's going down a little bit. I noticed I did not put double-sided tape on this corner over here, so I'm gonna have to add a little bit of double-sided tape. I'm really satisfied with this product, and thank you guys once again. I'm gonna put the link down in the description for you guys if you guys want to check out this product. Very easy installer in that, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna grab myself some little Starbeezies. As always, guys, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, peace out and good vibes.